Anya Kilwani Toliet Godfrey, Anati won come Central Division. Dogba Amir Wajati, Danuma Tika Dwayne Dogman and the Chilu, Kijim of a Wen, or when you kick a better way down roller a kind. Omi Amir was Burune, Logamatica Logoburutini, Tea Maluba Kilok me, Nano Kidmo Wako, Yugi, you Mapa came one poor level generating a can working a kind. Me a chair and never Wajane. Luang Magua Central Division. You may eat query Pagini, I walk, kill my eater walk like a one could grow you, one of you work do go, men and you give me one wagam again. Kiddo, you want to get choke my dear. When later you give me my choke my dear to keep a better chair. But when I name Baraja get you on what you are finding, you get up here beat. No one to find you when in Central Division. Near Mukane, more for gab because you make it. I can give Mukanama no, my dear Mukanama, Mira Wator with what Timo and a look my peer attack. And I look many and many. Yugi and I could be in a 1 million channel and no dog. Jomogo Mano can give me a chilling material piano. Nay, me not chilling by Joe and Yugi. When no one is your when you do your Yugi Pagay. And on the pick covering area, my borrow can. Pagay, covering division of death. Pandrum Central Key Pagay division. Omeo. One of it are thing material division of the deck and nanny. In Garamokimagabino, Ian Jerga on your Yugi, a dopa gay. You were now, Ian, me I said in getting be no punishment. Me a real get more really better will be punishing and Chu meo, teach one of me punishing down, can you win lock, I win lock an eel. Piano Pichar Kacha, teaching a attack. Can you mirror better material again, teaching the movie for the year? Can you win or well on the Yugi Pagay? Kate, you can one on the banner. Gen go lawan di pagay daw po de gigi mero purne waligi ni pui do kuru kumi do kuru ngi piwo area ne kanya ngi kayeo area mano ngi wani covering do kuru de chaka ching tin kay winya pe tingi mi jarga purne wano I pur di kuru wano I pur de kuru jimini ni wen ini bi wenyu ko kino pe je pui e kimi ade jo mu kene bene wano ni lo mo ta di pi lo pi di pi Tiek do gero, Bobilego, Umigina, Magengi Quo, Kilwa Mutaka. I didn't cook of it, Barbara, where one area, Muganman eat vero, Kettle Gilalo Mutaka, where one long Mutaka, Kikudu, Pen, Mutaka, and Eva, then with the P, Young Ilo Kununi, Pine, Kilo Pao, but the Mugan Magatica Guani. Tiwan Momera go Patano, Kawan Matica Quite on a kind.
Well, na pagay kay na pagay makunyo pat ki pagay mayang wan pulutin. Ben pagay ko metia bakel. Yugi be kitia wan ne pagay. Ti mo pol ti madre ti ti me ran pagay. Mutaka ben kitia lo kana pagay. Ma di chi le mutaka nyo mo mu ma aki wi aki nyo. Ka be ka do pi cher ka kin dan maro ene. Ke la yele e kom dan patia ngeni chi ma ki kom mutaka. Chali indien ma ki lo kana. O il ma ki kom indien. Ke lu pere e kom dan. Quel père comme dans le canot, quel père comme dans n'importe qui doit piller, quand on qui est nerveux. Si j'ai maté à bien et comme j'ai monté à l'oratel pigi, moutaragé, moutaragé pigi. Ah, tu as que le père comme dans peut-être un gagné. Un pire, tu es mané dans la loi bon et pagay. Il dit à loi bon et pagay. Pengé ni moi, moutaragé, t'es pagay, qu'on maté à donner comme une, tu as que le père comme une. Well, qui pour vous me dire madame Pengé, qu'on y a monté, qu'on cancer, qu'on a été un dieu pas de cause de mon mari comme nous. Matière pini, et qu'elle va pareil comme pagay. Les ranons qui bon loi. Né, one of you qui coule ma bête. Et en air dame qu'un tamane, caïtière et quoi you qui gagne, et tière on y pagay, no était ma bête. Angi bora na ya no impete ma bête. Pengon impé quoi you qui comme qui gagne ni. Il était in a central place. Qui donc you can yellow division no yellow mon sport. Well do it can you? Wow no you me quite. I done me tell me by environment me do pagay. Come a diri man no more, mere 1 tea, my mere pocket back on down. Chi, like an antibody down there, what tea, dokuru, pagay, my bag. You give my unity on my pound down the mere down to when you go paper. In pound down, I kill, come a lane, you come a lane. For example, pe jomati again, Upland, jomati Eastward Essence. What take out when you again, a dog good, can you? A dog market. ini ke yugi ni kenyu ini ke kidung tia pai lo me ini wa bet kenyu lo e ma che ga ngo ka ti dame ti do kuli cha me ke lu je ma ti ma ke lu to dir ma ti pam ne kom dan pen ka gini ke lu kenyu we tan go bino kwa ni kenyu wo ter ga me te yugi che a mer ne lu te la ma pa te cha LCG wa nge tu me gu be ka lo ke dan ki be ne dano ki ti ki wi mo ma ku nyu me wa be ne dan ti ki wi mo ma ne do kuli yang pe pur e do ki kit ma ki per ma ku nyu me ngom ma dano cha la ngom wan ma cha lu te kong ini cha kon ni do kul kai pro pu mu de ti o gele pet wer ti le ga na ben dir ma mer wa me de me o coupe ben ki jo ke office man environment me mun spool ben poli be mer environment fu ya me ko nya ben ke ti do pa ge no ker maxton te lo ni me aka maxton ti me do ga de kul gin mo activity mo kan me po ti me kenyu yugi me pe ket kenyu ka kenyu be mer pe pu le me ga ma ki ja mar pi gi wori ko e ga ngi pu do kul le wen ka kenyi kama kita mu do ka ku ne yang chuan ku le wor di ku wa ri ngo ku pe chule yang ma wanu tian wo che ne kira page tu ke an ku me page ti chule page yang chuan leng da wan ma don wan no mar page yang chuan tang pe tong pa war ben pe tong wan mar page ki guru ku page met ma de no ka ngi te mu page ku ne mu page pe be jang mu page ma yang che le kana ti ni da no mer ku ma ku de ku nen ku do ku ja area ma pe ta ben pi ku ni ko nya yo ma pol icheri kule kwele ma ter diang mar pi kulu ka ti go lobo dir e yo pi be ka pi pe ta pe pa cham ka ta ne re ta gam pi ki pa ge ki me wa ti pa ge ma ke ini lu ta cher kun ka ini tem dam i ta ne ti ka tem dam de ke ti ya nywa wa ni yugi is what gan I don't know what the motive to mangu cha cher mar pi be to mangu cha i ta ne tem dam de wa na wo ti wo ki ku ja yo ma bo ma gin pa ge me be cha ki cha tu mu mai i wi ra ki tu mu me ka kan ya ti ke gwini kila cha cher me ke kin dan I po ko gwini kin dan en gwini po lo ke pa dok dok gani en me ke gwini kin dan ti le kana bo dan me dan ti ke do pa ge no be
I am Muyo Morisanto and I'm the chairman of this division Page. This division is actually named after the river. That very river is called Page division and the name Page originated from that river. So when people talk about Page, we feel they are actually talking about us. So for that matter, we have been seeing a lot of challenges facing the same river. Among others, if we are to be honest, is that the leadership of the entire council of Kitgum district, Kitgum municipal, including Page where I sit, there was a lot of laxity in between. That's why when you move around, you see a lot of unwanted activities taking place within the river, and nobody is coming to regulate to stop the community from doing that one. People collect garbages from elsewhere, they dump in the river, nobody stopped them. Community members could pick interest in cultivation, people are cultivating inside the river, people are claiming the entire river, people are claiming land around that environment, and you find leadership is not coming to regulate such activities. With the coming of this organization, Pamagara, with support of Korean people, I am sure if the leadership of this council, which I pledged to put commitment toward that, we shall together with the public work toward promoting and protecting the environment, particularly through the river Page.
I want to bring to the concern of all able and responsible citizens in Uganda, and especially in Kitgum municipality, especially the leader and the community, that it is time for us to act to save Page River. Page River is threatened by our actions, whereby when you go to the main bridge, you will find out people are dumping a lot of waste. And right now, as I talk, the river is heavily polluted and is threatening the livelihood of people that lives across the river bank. Especially, there are communities along the river bank that drinks the water and animals also. So it is threatening, and the life of people at that area is also threatened. You will look through and see that the river, people are already cultivating in the river and also washing cars in the river. That one is especially threatening the ecosystem. You will find out that the river catchment area is degrading seriously. And if we don't act seriously, and we act now, and we act together with Pamagara Research and Development Organization, together with you, we are going to lose this river. Remember, Kitgum district is highly blessed. It is only one of the districts that has a river cutting across the heart of the municipality. So it is our call that we come and save the river.
As government, number one, we are talking about reclamation of wetlands, where Page is part of it. And we are saying that we should protect wetlands. We should protect rivers. We should protect riverbanks. In the event that our people here around here begin to dig around riverbanks, you will have destroyed the nature around there. And at the end of the day, you will also suffer. Number one, you will suffer with the flood. When the river bursts, your crops that you put around there will be swept away. Number two, even the structures that you will put around there, it will be swept away. And if you are not very careful, even your life can be, it can be swept away and you can die. So what we are saying and emphasizing, there is also a scenario where people now dump the wastes. They think that is a dumping site. People of Kitgum should know that this water is serving us. People are using it for bathing. People are using it for watering animals. People are using it for irrigation. So we should not be seen disposing wastes in this water. Because when you dispose, you are contaminating the water. When you deposit there, you can cause blockage. And when you cause blockage, the other places will be flooded. Even the places which will not be flooded, because you have made a blockage, the water will look for alternative route. Now, in so doing, it will flood most of the areas. That we don't want. So, our prayer and call to our people is that they should protect the wetland. They should protect the riverbanks. They should desist from encroaching around the riverbank. They should desist from using that as a depositing site for wastes within town here. Because you are contaminating water, you are making blockage, and at the end of the day, disease will crop up. By the way, when the water is contaminated and the people are using this water, animals are using this water, at one time we may have a breakout of a disease. Waterborne disease can come in. We can have even rashes, because now people are bathing using this water. So, as people of Kitgum, whom we are seeing this river, let us respect. Let us respect the riverbanks. Let us respect the river itself. Let us stop depositing their wastes, and we shall all go better with that. And we can still, those ones who are near, you can still live afrostrate. You can still put plants and trees around the riverbank to protect the riverbanks. But you should not be seen that you are clearing, you are cutting down the trees around the riverbank and leaving it bare. Because at the end of the day, if you leave that riverbank bare, when it rains much, the water will burst and will run over and above the other part, hence causing problem. So let us make sure that we adhere to that. For us as security, for us as people here, your leaders, we condemn